Looking for a way to beat the heat? Check out the 8,500 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. This powerhouse cools spaces up to 360 square feet, making it perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or even home offices. But it's not just an air conditioner. This 3-in-1 unit also functions as a fan and a dehumidifier, giving you complete control over your comfort. With easy-to-use controls and a sleek design, it fits seamlessly into any room. Plus, it's portable. Move it from room to room with ease, ensuring every corner of the home stays cool. Worried about installation? No problem. It comes with a simple window kit that makes setup a breeze. So, why sweat it out this summer? Grab the 8,500 BTU Portable Air Conditioner and enjoy a refreshing escape from the heat wherever you are.